Hello students, today we will continue chapter mensuration. Students, first we will learn about what is polyhedrons. In any three-dimensional shape, if the faces of these solids are polygons and the edges are line segments and the edges meet at vertex which are points, such solids are called polyhedrons. Now, what is regular polyhedrons? A polyhedron is said to be regular if its faces are made up of regular polygons and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. Now, what is prism? Prisms are polyhedrons whose base and top are congruent polygons and whose other faces are parallelogram. Now, what is pyramid? Pyramids are polyhedrons whose base is a polygon of any number of sides and whose lateral faces are triangles with a common vertex. Now, we will learn about Euler's formula. This is F plus V is equal to E plus 2, where F is a number of faces, V is a number of vertex and E is a number of edges. F plus V is equal to E plus 2. This relationship is called Euler's formula, and this formula is true for any polyhedron. Now, by using Euler's formula, we will complete this table. Look at this here. First solid is cuboid. Its number of faces 6, number of vertex 8, number of edges 12. Now, F plus V, we have to put the value of faces and vertex. F is 6 and V is 8, so 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. And now E plus 2, we will put the value. E is 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Here we can see F plus V is equal to E plus 2. So Euler formula is verified for this polyhedron cuboid. Now next solid, it is triangular prism. Here F is 5, V 6 and E 9. So we will calculate F plus V, that is 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Now E plus 2, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Here Euler formula is verified for triangular prism. Now next solid is square prism. Here number of faces 6, number of vertex 8, number of edges 12. So F plus V, that is 6 plus 8 is equals to 14, and E plus 2, that is 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. So Euler formula is verified for square prism. And now triangular pyramid. Here number of faces 4, number of vertex 4, number of edges 6. So F plus V, that is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, and E plus 2, that is 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So this formula is verified for triangular pyramid. And now square pyramid. Here number of faces 5, number of vertex 5, number of edges 8. F plus V, that is 5 plus 5 is equals to 10, and E plus 2, so this is 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. So this Euler formula is verified for this square pyramid, because here F plus V is equal to E plus 2. So we can say Euler formula is true for any polyhedron. Now look at this. Can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertex. So for this solution we will use Euler's formula, because this formula is true for any polyhedron. F plus V is equals to E plus 2. Here F is equals to 10, E is equals to 20, V is equals to 15. So we have to apply Euler formula. So left hand side, that is F plus V, we have to put the values 10 plus 15, it is equals to 25, and right hand side, that is E plus 2, 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. So here we can see left hand side is not equals to right hand side, so Euler formula is not verified, so this polyhedron is not possible. Now home assignment, do worksheet 8 of this chapter. Thank you.